Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're looking at the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the second paper in the higher tier. It's the November 2017 past papers. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we pick it up in question 23, which reads, here is some information about a tennis club. Okay, members of a tennis club. We've got the frequency density, which is not labelled. The age, A, years. It is labelled. There are 30 members with A less than 20. There are 12 members between 65 and 80. There are no members with A or age greater than or equal to 80. Complete the histogram. Okay, well, before I can do this histogram, I need to do the frequency density and label that axis. So how can I label the axis? Okay, I know there are 30 members with age less than 20, so the area of this, which is the class width multiplied by the frequency density, is equal to 30. So the class width is 20, so 20 times frequency density is equal to 30. So frequency density is equal to 30 divided by 20. Cancel the zeros. 3 over 2 is 1.5. And this bar is 3 units high, so this is 1.5. So if this is 1.5, then we see clearly this is going up in halves, so this is 0.5. 1, so this will be 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5. That's as high as it needs to go. Okay, so we know that there are 12 members aged between 65 and 80. So the class width between 65 and 80 is 15. 80 minus 50, 65 is 15. So 15x is equal to 12 members. Actually, I shouldn't say x. I'm being algebraic here. I should actually call it what it is. 15 times the frequency density is equal to 12. So frequency density is equal to 12 over 15. Well, 15 is 3 times 5, and 12 is 3 times 4. So this cancels to 4/5, which is 8/10 or 0.8. So let's have a look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 small squares is 0.5, and I want to go up to 0.8, so I need to go up 8 small squares. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want to go up to here. Right, so there we go. Okay, so that's our histogram completed. And picking up in part B, it says work out the total number of members of the club. Okay, so what do we know? We know already that there are 30 members with age less than 20, so this is 30 without even having to calculate, and we know there are 12 members here because we did that one ourselves. So between 20 and 30, that's a class width of 10 and our frequency density of 4.5, so that means there's 45. So here we've got a class width of 10 and it just goes to one bar above the 3.5, so that's 3.6. So 3.6 times 10 is 36. And then this bar is level with the 2. So the class width is between 40 and 65. So 65 minus 40 is 25. So it's 25 times 2 is 50. So the number of people, or the number of members of the tennis club, is 30 plus 45 plus 36 plus 50 plus 12. Well, 30 plus 45 is 75. 75 plus 30 is 105, plus 5 is 110, plus 1 is 111. 111 plus 50 is 161, plus 12 is 173. So that's answer is 173. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.